Commander's morning, another day, another hope. Allegedly, the ANC of Ramaphosa has resorted to lies and deception. They've now started spreading lies so that they can confuse you. They are now saying that they are getting more and more support now as we are heading to the 29th of May. And they are going to win these elections. They are going to get 50% plus. They are lying to you guys. They even refer to some polls that these polls are saying they will get 53%, 55%. But they are trying to confuse you so that you think twice whenever you think about voting for the MK party. Because now you're thinking like, oh, the ANC is going to win these elections. So if I put my vote there, I'm losing my vote. So it means I'm wasting my vote. No, there's nothing like that. I'm going to tell you now. The ANC of Ramaphosa now is using tricks so that they can trick you, so that they can woo you, so that you can vote for them. Because they see wherever they go, they're trying to campaign. The people are showing them a middle finger. Whenever they get to people, people are showing them displeasure because people are not happy with the ANC of Ramaphosa. The 5 past years for us, ordinary South Africans, it's been hell, I don't want to lie. So now they can see that this thing is not coming all right for them. That's why they resorted to lies and deception. They are trying to deceive you. They are trying to trick you. They are trying to rob you your vote so that you cannot vote for the party that is going to bring about change in South Africa after the 29th of May. So listen to me here today when I tell you that the ANC of Ramaphosa will get nothing close to 50%. It's the MK party that is going to win these elections. And we are gunning for the 2/3 majority. As we are speaking to people, people are showing us that they are supporting this thing that we are doing, even though some of them are still tied to the ANC. But they are promising that if we promise them that we will deliver on what we are talking about, they will make sure that they ditch the ANC on the 29th of May and vote for MK. So don't be scared. When we talk like this, it's because we know what we are talking about. Whenever I go around, I don't hide my t-shirts or my hats. I wear them with pride. Because whenever I wear them and I meet people, they come to me, they approach me and they tell me how much they are happy that Msholozi have decided to start this party and that they are going to vote for MK party. So don't worry about people. People are hiding themselves. Even Msholozi was hiding himself. He had to wait until December to actually announce that he was not going to vote for the ANC, but he was going to vote for the MK party. So even these other people then, they are hiding themselves. So when you hear the ANC people talking, don't be confused. Just keep it in your mind that these people are also going to vote for this party of ours. Aluta continua. Mayibuye, Africa. Malibuye izwe lethu.